Welcome to Storytime English, where we enjoy stories and practice English at the same time. Today, the story of Pompeii, the daytime stopped. It was a normal morning in the Roman city of Pompeii. The sun was shining, people were shopping in the markets, children were laughing and playing in the streets, and families were starting another peaceful day. Life in Pompeii was good. The city was full of beautiful homes, colorful paintings, public baths, and gardens. People enjoyed art, music, and delicious food. They lived close to the sea, and the warm climate made it a perfect place to call home. But near the city stood a mountain, Mount Vesuvius. The people of Pompeii thought it was just a quiet, beautiful mountain. They had no idea that it was actually a volcano, and on that day, August 24th in the year 79 AD, everything changed. Without warning, the earth began to shake. People looked around, confused and afraid. Then, suddenly, a massive dark cloud exploded from the top of the mountain. It rose high into the sky, spreading ash and fire over the land. The sky turned black, and rocks began to fall like rain. Hot gas and dust rushed down the sides of the volcano, moving too fast to escape. Panic spread through the city. Some people tried to run, hoping to reach the sea. Others stayed in their homes, thinking it would soon stop, but it didn't. In just a few hours, the entire city was buried under ash and stone. Everything, houses, streets, animals, and people, was covered and hidden from the world. Almost 2,000 people died that day. It was a terrible tragedy. But something strange happened, too. The volcanic ash didn't just destroy, it also preserved. Because of the way the ash fell, many things stayed exactly as they were. Walls, paintings, tools, even the shapes of people and animals. For over 1,600 years, Pompeii was lost. No one knew the city was there, buried deep under the earth. Then, in the 1700s, workers digging in the ground found something strange. Piece by piece, the city of Pompeii was rediscovered. Today, visitors from all over the world come to walk through its ancient streets. They see homes with furniture still in place, kitchens with ovens, and beautiful artwork on the walls. They even see the final moments of people, their bodies turned to stone by the ash, parents holding children, people sleeping or running or praying. There are messages on the walls, too, written by the people of Pompeii. Some are funny, some romantic, and some very sad. One message says, "Be strong, my love." Another says, "Enjoy life. Nothing lasts forever." Pompeii is not just a ruin. It is a window to the past, a place where time stopped. It reminds us how fast life can change, and how important it is to live each day fully. This is the story of Pompeii, the city frozen in time. Did you know that when the volcano covered Pompeii, it preserved people's final moments so perfectly that today we can still see their faces, their clothes, and even their expressions frozen in time? Thanks for joining us on this journey. Want to discover more mysteries of the world while improving your English? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell.